All right. So during Climate Week, Unit 9 went through studying Hodder's National Wildflower Center in Knowsley, Merseyside, outside of Liverpool. It's an 160 meter by 5 meter long, 5 meter by 160 meter long inhabited wall that was then closed down in 2017 due to rising costs and an inability to keep the center open. And we've developed 4 proposals throughout this week to redesign and repurpose this building that is still standing today.
As a group, we reimagined Wildflower Center and introduced flexible spaces, such as bookable workshops and exhibition areas. Since it's a thin and linear building, we needed more space for the workshops to run. Therefore, we followed this ideology of keeping and reframing. We identified which parts to keep, considering the most permanent and rigid elements of the structure. And according to these parts, we integrated extrusions, which ended up functioning as separate pavilions. Inside these pavilions, we investigated our relationship between area and maximum capacity that it can hold, therefore allowing a space of approximately 2.5 meters square per person for each workshop space.
For the extrusions, we reused the existing concrete and relocated the existing glass panels and frames. And through the extruding spaces, we were left with empty areas in between, which we used as courtyard. This created a nice relationships between the inside and outside spaces.
So for our roof design, we started by removing the green roof that was on the existing building that caused the building to leak and decay over time. Although we broke the linearity of the entire building on the ground, we decided to keep a continuous pathway, a walkway on the roof. So through this, we aim to preserve the continuity of the building. We incorporated skylight openings to the ceiling, which allowed natural light to get in, and the openings also allowed to increase the interactivity among the entire building. So through people looking at the openings to inside, they got the chance to engage with the activities. So through these simple interventions and adaptations, we repurposed the National Wildflower Center using the strategy to keep and reframe. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.